In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Worldcoin failed to fetch data. So if your World app actually failed to fetch your data and you're having that error, you can try restarting the app. So for example, let's close this app first, and from in there, let's open it again. So let's open our World app, and once you have opened it, you can tap on the World app icon to start it and see if the error is resolved. Now you can also navigate and then clear your app cache. To do it, head over and then locate World App in here again. Then long press it, click on App Info. From in there, click on Storage. Click on this Clear Cache under this, and you can also have the option to clear the data. Once in there, you can actually just clear the cache, and from in there, it should be able to fix it. Another option that we can do is you can head over to your Play Store, click on Search, and search in here for World App. Click on this and make sure to update it if there's any update that is due. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.